I believe in community organizing because I believe in power. All I've known since I was little, and the ways in which I've seen people that seem powerless demonstrate power, is through community organizing.
FaithActs Organizing Institute helps us to find talented individuals that can organize, that weren't aware that they had this skill and this ability tucked away neatly in their hearts and in their portfolios. The 26 people that we have participating in Organizing Institute right now are some of the most passionate people I've ever come across. They're excited about the work that we do, and it's also meaningful to them.
One of the things that I've learned at FaithActs is that everyone has the ability to lead. You actually have a strategy and a key point to focus on. And just seeing that all the way through is the most fulfilling thing you could do.
The participants of FaithActs Organizing Institute have accomplished so much in so little time. I've seen people come out of their shells. I've seen people tap into gifts that they already had. I've seen people go up to absolute strangers at community events and turn a non-voter into a voter. And I just think it's been incredible.
I learned what true definition of power was, what issues, solution, tactics, how to do a power analysis, how to do a strategy chart. And I'm hoping I can take these things when I'm organizing things for my church, my personal life, and again, for getting the education for our kids.
What I see is this not just impacting the congregation or FaithActs, but I think this is going to impact the entire state of Connecticut. We are raising and building up the next generation of community organizers. The future of the FaithActs Organizing Institute is limitless.